All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'll show how to launch HIVE. So there's two different ways to launch HIVE. You can launch it from inside Revit, and that's found under the CTC software tab up here, top right. So you can launch it this way, just by double clicking it. So now what this will do, this will launch HIVE, and you'll be able to see all the categories that are inside of Revit. And notice it automatically pulls the Revit version here on the bottom left. Notice you'll get every Revit category that was in our model that HIVE was launched from. We'll see add content, we'll see content, we'll see libraries, and now I can even see what's all in my active project, all the content that's in my active project. I click on active project. Now I can see every model that's in my current active project. What's the difference between launching it from Revit and launching it from the desktop version is the fact that I don't get Revit content. You see these two? So those are the two differences right off the bat. See, and notice I'm an admin too, so that means I can see everything. There's three different versions. There's a consumer, there's a contributor, and an admin. A consumer allows user to find, download, and use content in libraries. A contributor, they can find, they can download, they can comment, they can set ratings of different content in library. An admin, they can do everything across the board. They can assign users, they can upload content, they can rate content, they can even remove content, they can add users, remove users. So that was how you launch HIVE from the desktop version or from Revit.